Hello, you're watching Traders Calendar on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Kate Nedachina. Early next week, traders will eye the following economic events. On Tuesday, one of the most expected reports on the retail sales sector will be published in the United States. Analysts expect that in June the indicator rose by 0.3% compared to the previous months. It's a significant slowdown compared to May, when the U.S. retail sales increased by 1.2%. The release data met the forecasts. At the same time, the April data was revised upwards to 0.2% from 0%. Such a sharp jump was caused by growth in demand for cars, clothing and building materials. Retail sales, excluding cars and parts, climbed by 1%, exceeding forecasts. On Wednesday, the Bank of Japan will announce its decision on the key interest rate for July. Experts do not anticipate any changes. They suppose that the Bank of Japan will keep unchanged the lowest range of 0 to 0.1%. During the previous meeting, the Bank of Japan remained its stimulus program unchanged, keeping optimistic view on the economy. The Monetary Policy Committee voted to maintain the increasing of the monetary base at 80 trillion yen a year and the benchmark interest rate at 0.10%. The regulator said that the country's economy is expected to have a moderate recovery. In October, the Bank of Japan reinforced the stimulus program, expecting that a significant downward pressure from low oil prices could prevent the country from reaching the targeted inflation rate of 2%. Also, the Bank of Japan announced its intention to reduce the number of meetings starting from 2016. Later on Wednesday, the Bank of Canada will reveal its decision on the benchmark interest rate. Analysts expect that the key interest rate will be kept at 0.75%. In June meeting, the forecast of the Bank of Canada remained the key interest rate at the same level. The regulator concerns over the fact that the U.S. economy is showing signs of a slowdown. Nevertheless, Canada's central bank forecasted the national economy strengthening in the second quarter of the year. Thus, there is no necessity of continuing stimulus program, including the benchmark interest rate cut. Also, the following statistical data is on tap at the beginning of next week. On Monday, the trade balance data will be revealed in China. On Tuesday, the CPI data will be published in Great Britain, and reports on the economic sentiment will be unveiled in Germany and the Eurozone. Wednesday will be the most eventful day of the Traders' Week. The inflation report will be released in New Zealand. In China, the GDP and industrial production reports will be on tap this day. Labour market reports are expected in the UK. Data on the producer price index will be published in the United States, and the Fed's chair Janet Yellen will make a speech that day. It was Traders Calendar on InstаForекс TV channel. Have a nice trading!